Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the clock is powered and the display is awake, because adjustments during power loss can reset values. Once done, identify the controls, menu or mode +up/down and set, so you know the navigation path. If your unit is touchscreen, open Settings, then Brightness. Then press Menu or hold Mode for 2 seconds to enter the configuration screen. This first actionable step gets you directly into brightness controls without wasting time on obvious setup. Once inside brightness options, choose between manual and auto modes because each changes how the clock reacts over time. If you pick auto, the clock uses an ambient sensor or schedule to lower brightness at night. Manual lets you set a fixed percentage or step value. Use up and down to nudge the level. Small increments are safer. Then press Set to confirm. Make sure to watch the display under real lighting conditions to verify the chosen level is readable without being glaring. You finish by saving the new brightness and exiting the menu. Remember, some clocks need a quick restart to apply changes, so power cycle if adjustments don't take. If the display is too dim after saving, increase the level in 10% steps or switch off auto mode so you can fine-tune manually. If controls become unresponsive or settings revert, perform a factory reset or check firmware update instructions. This troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent calibration problems without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.